DIYers, this is how I always put in a floor waste. You always use, or I always do, I use mud. Then you've got if you use glue, it sinks because it's too soft, too runny. With sand and cement, it goes off straight away. Always being careful that you don't drop heaps of mud down your waste. Like that. You're supporting four corners. It's super strong when it dries. A rubber hammer and you tap it into place. Nice and flush. DIY. And that there is set forever when it dries. A couple hours time, by the morning, it's beautiful. You wipe up the grit, so when we walk on the tiles in the morning, I've got to get off these tiles because I don't reckon it's good to stand on them too much. It helps when they're clipped, but you still don't go walking on them for too much. Okay, we'll see ya. Bye.